What's going on, guys? Today we have Asher and me, I guess. These are my two scooters. We have a Gotrax 15.5 mile an hour. Then we also have a fifth wheel. Don't ask about the blinkers. We also have a fifth wheel here, 18 miles an hour. And today we're going to be comparing them. So right now we're going to be talking about the speeds of both of them on. I have no idea why this one's on right now. So this one actually has 5 bars, top speed is 18, and it actually has modes, unlike the Gotrax. Walking mode, Eco, which is only 10 miles an hour, D, which is kind of like double, and it goes 15 miles an hour. Last and finally we have S, which is the last mode and is the fastest mode, 18 miles an hour. Now we have the Gotrax, and this one has only 4 bars, but the batteries do last a lot longer. This one goes to up to 15.5 miles an hour. And I will be honest, the one thing that I do love about this is the color, obviously. And it also has a way better bell. And this one, this bell is not that good. So they are a little bit muddy, excuse the muddy. We have been riding them in the rain. It is rainy today, as you can see. So let's give you a view of how fast these puppies go. So we're back, and I just want to say that this is a really beautiful machine. It is really fast. It is pretty fast. It doesn't seem really fast, but it feels fast. Like, it feels fast. It don't look fast, but it feels fast. So this goes around to 18. You have to push one time for it to go, just like this. All right, so we're going 10 miles an hour right now. 13, 14, 15, 15. Woo! This thing rides beautiful. So now we're going to be reviewing the Gotrax. This thing goes around 15. You do have to give it a couple pushes because it is old. It is pretty old. I got it for my last birthday, which was all the way in November 2023. That's a pretty long time ago. That was around 9 months ago. That was a long time. So, all right, come on. Let's go. Woo! Stay sick. Around 12 miles per charge, takes 3 hours to charge. All right, guys, one more thing, I promise. If you are interested in buying one of these 2 beautiful scooters, there's a link in the description below. Anyways, Asher, which scooter do you like better? Because that's the real big question here.
That one.
Why?
Because I can ride with my daddy.
Nice. Well, that's Asher's answer, but y'all leave your answer in the question because that is also a very big question. Anyway, bye guys.